Madam, teachers and my dear students. Today is 30th January. So why we gathered here? We gathered here to honor Mahatma Gandhi, who was assassinated on this day in 1948 at the age of 78. So this day has been observed as the Martyrs' Day. Gandhiji, on this day, 1948, he was shot by Nathuram Godse on his way to a prayer meeting at Birla Bhavan in Delhi. His assassination was a tragic moment in India history, and since then, this day has been observed to honor not only Gandhiji but also all those who sacrificed their lives for the nation's freedom. Another major distinct observation occurs on March 23rd, commemorating the 1931 execution of revolutionaries Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev Thapar and Shivaram Rajguru. So today we have gathered to pay homage to the brave souls who sacrificed everything for our motherland. On this solemn day, we remember countless freedom fighters and soldiers who gave up their lives so that we could live in a free and independent country. Their sacrifices remind us that freedom did not come easily. It was earned through courage, struggle, and selfless service. So as students and teachers, but we can serve our nation by being responsible citizens, working hard and spreading peace and harmony. Thank you. Now I am going to call Tanishka to present a beautiful song.
Hulu, Upirame, Deep Jalan Makhu. 30th January. We celebrate this day as Martyrs' Day. I admire Gandhi because he taught the whole world the idea of peace, solidarity, and non-violence.
And I want to be like Raju because his bravery and unwavering devotion for the nation inspired me to fight and to stand for justice.
And I want to be like Bhagat Singh. His courage, patriotism, sacrifice, and selfless service towards the nation inspires me the most.